Good morning children. In this video we are going to study Brain Booster 6.1. The first question is write down the first 12 multiples of 3. So for that first I have written the table of 3 up to 12 because we want 12 multiples. So what are the multiples from this table? These are the factors and these are the multiples. We have already seen here in the first video. So this is factors. Now children, multiples of 3 are nothing but 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. So the final statement is first 12 multiples of 3 equal to, we will write all the numbers from 3 to 36. Now the second sum is fill in the blanks. Fourth multiple of 5. That means how to get fourth multiple? We want only one multiple. We don't want all the multiples. So that means 4 into 5 is 20. Next is eighth multiple of 6 is obtained by 8 by 6, that is 8 into 6. By is nothing but multiplication. 8 into 6 is 48. Third multiple of 4 is obtained by multiplying 3 into 4, that is 12. Children, second and fourth are for homework. Now third bit, write down first 5 multiples of 6. So what are the first 5 multiples of 6? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. Now second is for homework children. Second one is first 7 multiples of 11 is homework. Now I am showing you third one, first 12 multiples of 2. So you need to write the multiples of 2, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Fourth multiple, fourth sum is fourth multiple of 10. As we already know, 4 into 10 will give us fourth multiple. 4 tens is 40. Again sixth multiple of 9. 6 into 9 is 54. Now children, we will see Brain Booster 6.2. State whether the following are true or false. So these are the true or false. Every number is a multiple of itself is true. 0 is a multiple of every number is also true. Every number is a multiple of 1 is also true. 36 is a multiple of 9 is true. 45 is a multiple of 8 is false, because 45 will not come in 8 table. Now children, the second bit is fill in the blanks. 8 7s is 56. So 56 is a multiple of 7 and 8. 7 and 8 are the factors. 56 is multiple. So 56 is a multiple of 7 and 8. Now 7 9s is 63. So 63 is a multiple of 7 and 9. Okay. Now fourth sum. 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 30. So 30 is multiple of 2, 3 and 5. Dash is a multiple means it is 30. Children, third and fifth sums are for homework. Now third bit, write the next 3 multiples. Some multiples are given and we need to write the next 3. So by seeing the first number, you can tell what multiples are these. So these first sum is multiples of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. After 20 we will get 25, 30, 35. 3 are enough. first 3 multiples. Now second one is, what multiples are these? 7 multiples. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. Then third sum is 9, 18, 27, 36. After 36 it is 45, 54, 63. 4 and 5 are for homework, children. Now fourth sum, write the first 3 multiples of the following numbers. So only one number is given, that is 8. Then 6, 10, 13, 14. So we need to write the next multiples, next 3 multiples. First number is given, so we have to write 8 is given. So after 8, 8, 16, 24, 32. That means 8 multiples. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. Now it is 6 alone, means multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. In the same way, 10. After 10, what is the next number? 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40. In the same way for 13 and 14. Now we will see, children, fifth sum. Write the numbers from 1 to 40 in 5 rows and cross the multiples of 3. Then circle the multiples of 2. Write all the numbers which are multiples of both 2 and 3. Here we have so many questions. So we will take from right to rows. This we will take it as first question. Then cross the multiples of 2 as second question. Then circle the multiples of 2 is third question. And this is the remaining is fourth question. Now children, first we need to write 1 to 40 numbers in 5 rows. Actually, when we write the numbers from 1 to 40 means how many rows? 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. We will get only 4 lines. But they are specifically telling us to write in 5 rows. Okay. So I have taken from 1 to 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So, 1 row, 2, 3, 4, 5 as they have told. Now children, first one is over. Then second sum, cross the multiples of 3. Cross means putting wrong symbol, crossing it. So what are the 3 multiples? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. Then come to third question. Circle the multiples of 2. 2 multiples, 2, 4, 6. Just we need to circle all the 2 multiples. Okay. 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Now children, what is the next question we have done? Circle the multiples of 2. Now the fourth question is, write all the numbers which are multiples of both 2 and 3. That means for some numbers we have only circles and for some numbers only cross. So we need to write the numbers which are crossed as well as circled. So in the first line we have 6, So write down 6. What is the last statement we need to write? Multiples of both 2 and 3 are, in the first line we have 6, second line 12, third line 18, then 24, next is 30, next is 36. So all those multiples we have written. Thank you, children.